这里是 G&E 亲亲亲子英语频道，欢迎你和我一起学习亲子英文对话。
折纸游戏
Origami.
我们来折纸
Let's do origami.
Read together. Let's do origami.
准备好双面的彩纸
Prepare some double-sided colored paper.
Prepare some double-sided colored paper.
废弃的纸正好用来折纸
Waste paper can just be used for origami.
Waste paper can just be used for origami.
你需要跟着说明来折
You need to follow the instructions.
You need to follow the instructions.
一步折错的话之后的都需要重新折
If you make a mistake in one step, you have to fold it again.
If you make a mistake in one step, you have to fold it again.
我们看说明虚线就是要折的意思
Let's look at the instructions. The dotted lines mean to fold it.
Let's look at the instructions. The dotted lines mean to fold it.
实线或小剪刀标识就是要剪掉的意思
A solid line or a small pair of scissors means to cut off.
A solid line or a small pair of scissors means to cut off.
翻转的箭头就是反过来折的意思
The inverted arrow means to fold it backwards.
The inverted arrow means to fold it backwards.
把它对半折
Fold it in half.
Fold it in half.
要准确的把角对好
Let the corners meet exactly.
Let the corners meet exactly.
斜着折过来就是一个三角形
Fold it diagonally. It's a triangle.
Fold it diagonally. It's a triangle.
用力按下去做出清楚的折痕
Press it firmly to make a good crease.
Press it firmly to make a good crease.
摊开
Unfold it.
Unfold it.
倒过来跟刚刚一样折好
Turn over and fold it the same way.
Turn it over and fold it the same way.
把一个角对准中间的点折好
Fold a corner to the middle point.
Fold a corner to the middle point.
往同一个方向折
Fold it in the same direction.
Fold it in the same direction.
往里折往外折
Fold it inside. Fold it outside.
Fold it inside. Fold it outside.
把它折上去把它折下去
Fold it up. Fold it down.
Fold it up. Fold it down.
像这样做阶梯折叠就是一把扇子
Do stair folding like this, it becomes a paper fan.
Do stair folding like this. It becomes a paper fan.
这不好折我折不出来
It doesn't fold well. I can't do.
It doesn't fold well. I can't do it.
没关系慢慢来再折一次
It's okay. Take your time. Fold it again.
It's okay. Take your time. Fold it again.
你折错方向了
You folded in the wrong way.
You folded in the wrong way.
要对准中间线折
Fold it on the center line.
Fold it on the center line.
你折得很好。
You fold it very well.
You fold it very well.
只要按照说明一步一步做，一定能做出来的。
Just follow the instructions step by step, and you'll be able to do it.
Just follow the instructions step by step, and you'll be able to do it. 今天的视频到这里就结束了，不要忘记查看单词和词组。Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.